Today we want to calculate age based on date of birth. And it's really simple task in Excel. We just have to know one hidden function. This function is called DATEDIF. Excel won't show us her syntax, but he will calculate it properly when we give her arguments. So the first argument for this function is start date, date of birth. The second, because we want to calculate age, is today. So we have to add today function. And the last argument is y, because we want to calculate whole years. And just like that, we have calculate age based on date of birth.